Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually convert PDF into Microsoft Word. Yes, a PDF into Microsoft Word, right? Because a lot of time we tend to have problem in terms of editing a document, right? So I'm going to show you a basic stuff. Alright, so this is the PDF document that you want to convert in Microsoft Word. All we have to do is come right here, just click on the Microsoft Word. Alright, notice it come up here. Alright, notice, see right here, I'm going to put it one side here. Yes, right. And minimize that again. Alright, and take it down here a little bit. Alright, what we want to do, we can actually drag the file onto this. Alright, to the blank. So hold on left side of the mouse and drag the file here. So when you drag the file here, watch it choose. Alright, you notice if you got this little window that is open, cancel, and help. Right, and so Word will convert your PDF into a editable Word document. So I'm going to click OK. Right, and if you see, you notice it's converted. Right, so therefore, you can actually move and all of that. Alright, so that is the first step. Right, let me do that again one more time. Right, and I'm going to do it in a different way. Right, I come right here, open the Microsoft Word document. Right, so what I wanted to do, I'm going to open it this time. I'm not going to drag it on it. So while I open up like this now, I'm going to go right here to File, click, right, file, click on the file, right, if you notice, this is the file I want, so I'm going to click on the file, right, you notice I'm going to save the window, right, and I'm coming right here, right, I'm coming right here, second, if you notice, there you go with this, alright, you notice you can actually highlight it, you can actually edit it and all of that, right, very careful, right, so with this document now, which is Microsoft Word, let me save it, right? I'm going to save it and I'm going to show you exactly how we can actually convert this Microsoft Word here back into PDF. Alright, let me put a name to it. Right, and save it. Then I'm going to close it. Right, this is the document. Alright, now we learn how to convert PDF into Microsoft. Now we're going to be learning how we can convert Microsoft Word into PDF. Right, the first thing I wanted to do is open the Microsoft Word. Right, open up the Microsoft Word. Right, then the next thing you wanted to do is go to your right, where you see this little thing called File. You click on File. You're going to see this window open. Go to Save As. Right, and then go over here with your computer. If you don't see computer, it's a PC, you can actually click on it. You come right here, you see Desktop, and click on the Desktop. Right, when you click on Desktop, you bring up this little window here. So you're going to scroll up and click on this Desktop here. You want to make sure you see it on Desktop, that it's easier to find. Right, you notice this is file name. What we want to focus on is the file type. So we're going to come all the way here. So we're going to click. When you click, you're going to go down to the word PDF. Right? Then here you're going to click Save. Just like that. Right? And then you can close this back now. Right? And so close this back. Right? If you notice, this is the file. There you go. Just like that. Right? That's the particular file. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Right? And thanks for watching. Right? Thanks for watching this particular video.